A car crash? Oh my god, look at that. Look at that. The city view. Oh look, NASCAR. That's a NASCAR Hall of Fame. That's not a stadium. Sheriff. Oh, he went. Good thing I went straight, but like not really like this on the bike. What are they doing? They're singing. Why is this guy standing in the middle of the road? Why is he standing in the middle of the road? What the hell? Oh. Guys, look, the city. I see downtown. Oh, this is awesome. I can merge on real quick. Straight, okay. But yeah, look at this, guys. We have found downtown Charlotte. Boom, boom, boom. Let's see how it is. Let's go through all the buildings. Let's see what's out here even. It's super clean out here. No trash on the street is the first thing I noticed. Compared to downtown LA, yo. You know what I mean if you're from LA. Finally, it's a green light. Almost fell asleep there. And we're pretty much arrived here, so now we just go explore around, I guess. Downtown Charlotte. Okay, no left turn here? You're kidding me. A one way? I can go straight though, right? But I think I can go straight here. It's kind of confusing down here. Oh, there's a cop right there. Police. Oh, look at this building. This thing is huge. It's like a freaking triangle. Let's go straight. Not get hit by that again. We got a cop right there. He's not even in there. What's that? Government Center. That's the government center. Okay, we can turn left here. That's perfect. Oh, guys, look at this view right here. Oh, look at that. Yo, that's pretty. Yeah, it is very similar to. Oh, yo. Look at this building right here. That's the stadium that they have out here. Why is this guy standing in the middle of the road? Why is he standing in the middle of the road? What the hell? Oh, yo, look at this. Is that like a bus station? Look at this. Yo, it looks like New York kind of. Oh, missed a gear there. Where do I go? I have no idea. Yo, it's so sick out here. I should stop somewhere out here and then make a loop. Because I passed all the middle part. Let's take a left right here. These one-way streets are weird. I'm not used to this. Nice, the echo. Even though it's a stock exhaust, the echo is real. Oh, let's see. Let's just go left here too on 3rd Street. I haven't seen another motorcyclist still. Sushi place. Guys, look at this. This is so cool. I have never explored a different city like I have, but like not really like this on the bike. What are they doing? They're singing. I guess they're singing. Okay, that's weird. Why were they just singing in microphones? That's so weird. I should pull over. So, oh, look at that owl, those trees, and look at that. Oh, look at that building too. Is there anywhere I could park here and just kind of like walk around? Let's see here. Go straight here. Oh, these trees are red. Straight red. I want to like maybe look on my phone, see what there is to do down here. But I'm wearing a full race suit, but who cares? Get some food. So that's I think that's the stadium right here. It's a pretty cool stadium. So yeah, we just made it through that way, that street right there. Now we're gonna go through this street, see what's over here. It's a cool city. It's like, it's not that big actually, but it's all tidy and clean. And oh look, NASCAR. That's a NASCAR Hall of Fame. That's not a stadium. That's pretty cool. NASCAR, boys. Oh, it's a green light. I'm getting distracted by looking at everything. Pothole. The railroad right here. This is cool. City vibe. I wonder what street I should turn on to like just park and chill. I wonder if I could just turn left here. I'm so confused. This is, yeah, left here. Oh, we could just stop right here, guys. Look. There's a spot right here. Oh, perfect. Look at that. And then we can just go walk around and check it out. Look at this. Alright, let's go do it. Take a quick look at this little center place. My bike right here. Look, that's a bike on this view. That's awesome. Look at that. The city view. Oh, that's a big skyscraper too. Let's see what else they got here. This is pretty cool. Damn. What do you guys think of this city? I think, oh, it'll be cool living in those apartments. Look at that. That's wild. Look at this weird mirror thingy. But yeah, so far I like downtown Charlotte. Gonna take some pictures, of course, with the bike and stuff. Chill out for a second, maybe find some food. But hey, got another biker chopper guy. The first bike I saw today. That's crazy. Alright guys, let's continue exploring downtown Charlotte. Nice. We are filming, let's get it. Oh, yellow light. Nice. Oh, some bikers over there. Got like a parrot, a mirror parrot. I think it looks weird. But these buildings are sick. Look at that. Got old school church and then like huge skyscrapers everywhere. Let's go see what else they got here. Let's see here. Green light. Okay. We're building something over here. That's pretty much it. There's just a bunch of Bank of America tower right there. Oh, there's a cop behind me. There's a cop behind me, guys. Good thing I'm filming. Oh, there's a cop behind me. Where should we go? Sheriff. Oh, he went. Good thing I went straight. He didn't. But I have California plates, so don't really care. But that's pretty much downtown. We went through all the streets. Hope you guys enjoyed that. It's pretty sick. Now before my phone dies, I have to figure out where to get gas and oh, the top's right there. But yeah, I have to figure out how to get home, where to get gas, where to get food. But we're definitely gonna come and explore out here more. I just don't know where to go. I didn't like really plan on going anywhere here. I just like put downtown in my GPS and just went for it. But other than that, it's a cool city. I like it so far. Might even move down here sometime. Or like, I don't know if I want to live downtown, but we'll see. I kind of like living a little bit further from downtown in the suburbs. Oh look, McLaren, guys. Who thought? There's some McLarens in there. That's pretty sick. Interesting. Boom, boom, boom. Oh, I forgot my earplugs. No. We're gonna have to fix that somewhere. We could just fix that right now, right here. On this little shady street. Put my earplugs back in. Oh, there's a Lamborghini Urus. Check that out, guys. Oh, I found the first. This is literally the first supercar I've seen out here in like the South North Carolina. A Lamborghini Urus. Nice. Let's post up right here next to the Urus and put my earplugs in. Boom, boom, boom. Nice. But yeah, first supercar I've seen in North Carolina, an Urus. Alright guys, so my fuel light's on. I need to find a gas station, and there's an Urus right there. So I hope you guys enjoyed the little tour of downtown Charlotte. Much more videos are gonna come, and I'm gonna explore much more around here in North Carolina, South Carolina. I'm gonna go to the Tail of the Dragon and stuff. But hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want me to visit anything specific out here, go out, like ride out and moto vlog something specific, let me know if there's any cool spots. And see you guys in the next gas. And it's weird, they have that regular non-ethanol gas in a separate thing for it, and they have the 93. In California we only have 91, so it's higher octane right here. Pretty cheap too, $3.99. But let's see here. Yeah, I'll just get, I think I'm gonna get that one. I don't know what the non-ethanol one. I think the newer engines are made for like ethanol fuel, so they're fine with it. We'll just get the higher octane. Guys, it was so much more expensive in Cali. Only $10 for like 3 gallons. For like the best premium gas too. Unreal, guys. That's another plus of moving from Cali to freaking somewhere else, guys. So, alright, let's go back home, I think. Got some fresh pizza at Whole Foods. Look at that. Look at the size of these slices. It's closer to my house right here. We have a little shopping plaza. There's like stores and little restaurants and cafes in here. Bars, things like that. Pretty nice area right here. Is that a cop or not? Looks like a... That is a cop, guys. There's a cop to the left of me. There's a cop up there. Up in here. A car crash. Oh my god, look at that. Whoa, that's gnarly. What the hell? Wow, you see that car crash? We got a little tower right there. I think it goes to there.